In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a picture, the background image in Google Docs. So first thing that we'll need to do is go over and create a blank document. And here we'll be inserting, click on insert on the top right here, just below file, edit, view, and insert. And all we need to do is insert a watermark down here. Click on watermark and we will be selecting the image that we want to add. So I'll just grab a random image from Google Image. I'll just search up an image that I want. So for example, I'll have this image right here. Just click on it and click on insert down here. So it will allow you to add that image. So make sure to uncheck the faded and click on more image options in order for us to rescale the image. So just rescale the image how you want it. Either you want it the whole document or the half. For me, I'll just rescale it to the whole document. So you can adjust either the opacity, the brightness of the image, but for me, I'll be leaving it as is. Now, just close in the image options and click on done on the watermark. And as you can see, it is added to our file. So for example, I'll just type in a sample text, and as you can see, it is the background in the document. And that's about it. That's how to make a picture, the background in Google Docs. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.